Hello guys and Kardom. My name is Inmer Jangsik Hansipi and once again welcome to my show. And please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And so today I'm going to have tope with paokang moy and plain rice, salad, boiled and bhaji, and pork with tomato gravy. So let's get started. For today, and thank you for watching till the end. And once again, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and please press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.